Hello everyone. Most people rush from left to right and do first the subtraction, then the division, and then the addition. So what they get is 9 minus 3. They get 6 divided by 1/3 plus 1. Here 6 divided by 1/3 is 18 plus 1, so they get 19. But this, of course, approach is incorrect because we always need to follow the order of operation. In this case, we have P stands for parentheses, which we must do it first. We don't have it. Then E stands for exponents, which we must do it in the second. We also don't have it in this equation. And then M stands for multiplication and D for division. So we must do it in the third place. They all both have equal priority, so we need to do it from left to right. In our case, we don't have multiplication, but we have division. And last is addition and subtraction, which we have addition and subtraction. We do it in fourth. So the right way to calculate is we first do the division. We all know here the concept of KCF, which means keep the first, change the second, and flip the third, which means keep the first. So we're keeping the first, change the sign, we're changing the sign, and flip the second. So we are flipping plus 1. And the result would be here we have 9. 9 minus 9 plus 1, we have 1. And the correct answer is 1. Thank you very much. Please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. Ciao, ciao.